Hello everybody, my name is Lina Marcela Barilla. Today I will speak about myself and about an experience of a trip. So I'm Lina, I'm 27 years old. I work at Banco Bogota. I have a son, his name is Christopher. In my free time, I enjoy sharing time with my son and with my family. I also like watch movies. Action movies or zombies movies are my favorites. Okay, about the travel, I traveled to Santa Marta. So the experience of a trip last year vacation, I went to Santa Marta. I stayed there for a few days. I went with my friends. I like because it was funny and cheap. I just paid 500,000 pesos, and I like it because with my friends we visit a lot of places like El Rodadero, Taganga, El Acuario, and the downtown, and we enjoyed a lot. An anecdote in the trip was that one of our friends lost the cell phone in a cab. She had a very important information, so it was funny, but we call like the taxi driver and all day looking for the cell phone. Finally, the taxi driver arrived with the phone at the hotel where we stayed, and he received a good reward. Okay, stage number 2. This for visiting Santa Marta. Number 1, it is recommended to visit Taganga because it's a magic place. The beach, the people, and the food is delicious, so it is recommended. Also, it is recommended to visit El Rodadero because of the landscape is really nice and cool. Number 2, it is necessary wear comfortable clothes like t-shirts, shorts, because it's so hot. Also, it is important to wear sunscreen and sunglasses to protect the skin and the eyes because of the weather. Number 4, it is a good idea to have lunch near to the beach because you can see the landscape, the sky, the sea, and eat delicious food. It is a nice experience. And it is better to walk at the beach after 3 p.m. because the weather is nice and you can see the sunset. Yes, because at 12 p.m., at 12 o'clock, it is really hot and maybe you can have headache because of the sun. Also, it is recommended to ride a pedal boat. It is fun, it is nice, it is a good experience too. Number 7, it is a good idea to take pictures of beautiful moments because you can record it and you can take in your mind these special moments. It is recommended to go to a pub because you can share in time with your friends and with the people you travel with, your family. Stage 3. What people should do? I think people should carry a useful bag to carry personal items and avoid losing them. What happened with my friend? So I think it is necessary to have a useful bag to carry your money in a sure place, your glasses, your towel, okay, your personal items. What people shouldn't do? I think people shouldn't buy some things on the beach because sometimes the food is very heavy and you can suffer stomachache or headache. And other products are more expensive than what sellers say at the beginning. For example, a seller can tell you it is cost 10,000 pesos, and after you buy a thing, it costs, I don't know, 20,000 pesos. So I think, in my opinion, it is better not buy a lot of things at the beach. Okay, and it was my experience trip. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.